Out against the check. Out against the check. Imali nomibhokisi.
We saw a fast-paced game between Maskandi and Hip Hop. Will we see something similar, or perhaps more tactical, between Gqom and Gospel? Now it will take these players a bit of time to become accustomed to conditions. And for any pro footballer, the referee's whistle. Beautiful backdrop of the Joburg City skyline in the background, and we are live from the UJAW Miller Stadium. That's just all part of the fun, the laughs and the gags. Sweeper keeper is out. He'll have to judge it correctly. He doesn't, and hangs it in the sky only to collect it himself. The perfect moment to strike, and this might be it. DJ Tira, can he go through? Shouts for a penalty. Calls fall on deaf ears. Play continues. DJ Tira cuts a frustrated look. Gospel though, are through here. Is that number one? It's dragged wide. There we go. Welcome to the game. From DJ Tira all the way to the opposite side of the field in next to no time. Excellent ball, well-timed run as well. The finish team is a man by the name of Joe Hoodler. Before we cross over to you, Joe, a chance. Offside flag stays down. The men in blue pushing and probing. No reward just yet, Joe.
Injalo ke letho badlala iminyaka eminingi ko Orlando Pirates na ku national team bafana nangu Musa uzobona istyle social lapha Musa hayi lapha wazama wacrossa umfana omdala Gqom ke Timba ho nalithuba ke manje lekhola usebenzile kodwa ugoalkeeper ulithintile bamphazamisile ke phela la bephazamisa umthamizi nangu Musa ufuna ukushaya uMusa nansi ke lapha esibone le bhola ukuthi lenze njani ke la fika umthamizi ugoalkeeper osebenzile good goalkeeping asibone ke la ukuthi igospel lapha na ke wenze njani umzoxolo goal kick kodwa ke lama team adlala kahle kakhulu ikakhulukazi ipositional play ye team le yeGqom asibone le bhola kuqala ukuthi lenze namudira hayi angeze ngibone ugesho nje how isona sithenjwa sale team I guess esiboneni bakithi nangu Tira Tira ikhona Raymond, what a miss.
Again another spin and swivel on the left hand side, looking for Gold Max, who was making that darting run into the final third. Big chance here then for the Gospel captain, round the goalkeeper. Is this one? No, it is. It is brilliantly taken. Exceptional pass, wonderful bit of skill, and the finish on point. Blood in this tie, this unique matchup. The goalkeeper was in no man's land and he was subsequently punished. No one on the goal line. It's a gorgeous finish. Blink to Nkonzo. It's picked up from Gospel here. He's onside. Number 9 is onside, and here they go to Gospel. Good ball as well. Chance for the second through the goalkeeper's legs, and they've doubled up. Gospel lead by 2-0. Gqom have it all to do. Onside. Judged the run to absolute perfection. The pass was measured beautifully as well, and the finish was clever. The goalkeeper tried to stick out that left boot. It just wasn't meant to be. But for Gospel, everything is going to plan. Here they come again with Dimba. Wonderful through ball again. There's one in the center. He might not need him. Gospel for number 3. A clever little dink. The pace is far too quick. And he is as dangerous as ever. Again, the high line is easily penetrated. Eyes on the keeper, eyes on the ball, eyes on the pass option as well, seeing it all. But in the end, scoring Gospel's 3rd for their next match. Corner, bicycle kick. Where did that come from? What a save! Excellent bit of football from Gospel. The goalkeeper didn't know too much about it, but got his body in the way and took his eyes off it as well. Just made himself big enough. Good stop from...
Wow, what a game that is. A lot of people watching that are asking questions of this Gospel team. 3 goals to the good, beating the Gqom team by 3 goals to 0. Hat-trick, mtshana.
Ndabulela futhi kosikakhulu ndabulisa nakubaphulaphuli nakubabukeli baka-SABC.
So bayabuza abaninzi ba ngenyani lo mfo ucula igospel. Ndithi ucula igospel nje kuthiwa asiqondi kahle ngathi i-ex-professional. Ibhola usuka phi nani?
Ibhola ndidlale ndimncinci kakhulu e-Ado Eastern Cape to team ekuthiwa i-Bush Parades. So ndikhule ndidlala ibhola, so ndisenza no music at the same time, yabo. So abantu abaninzi bayanikhumbula ke from I want to sing gospel. Yeah, banikhumbulele khona. So bendiqhuba music, ndiqhuba ibhola same time. So yeah, so ndafumana i-call from uDumi ukuthi hayi mandize ke ndizodlala nam i-gospel because bayithathela phansi, so ndaza sizosolungisa nje into encane.
I need to make this right. So, to prove to you that this is a gospel singer, have a listen to this. Because even English, you don't know nangapa ikono corner.
Wow.
Gloria? I don't know.
Wow.
I don't know,
Wow.
Joe. I don't know.
Wow. No, I mean, blessed with talent, blessed with skill, and I think it was really a fantastic day at the office. Musa, what a fantastic day at the office. Didn't turn out well, but when was this one, Jan?
Kubhlungu, man. Kubhlungu ukuloser, but we're very grateful for the opportunity to showcase our talents, and we're really, really grateful to the sponsors and everyone.
I mean, that was really brilliant. You're showing some good moves. I think for you, you'd also just say, where did your football journey start?
Elokshini, you know, we played in the streets, and then in high school, Gqom Park High, we played.
Hey, NPHS represents.
Yeah, that's where I played. And then I played for Wits also. Yeah, so.
Unlucky today, but I think for you as an individual, don't you think kuna contract nyana lapha nesetafuleni?
Listen, Gloria, Gqom Park High School, when it comes to school, go to the Pinoni tournament and ask them about us. The green always shows up, so well representing the Kempton Park and Gqom Park High School, my school, of course, as well. That's where my football comes from. Now, you've got the next match. Ifinal, Umaskand, Ukuzani. They are the champions. You are the new entrants la. Ubona kanjani? Ubabonile qala umdlalo bokuqala?
Hayi benibukele futhi they are a very good team badlala kahle kakhulu as babe sitshilo before siza kule tournament as underdogs yabo, so we respect everyone, but ke ebaleni I knew ukuthi sizoba surprise abantu abaninzi, so it's going to be a tough game, tough one. We just need to plan, we need to relax now and plan about the game. Besibabonile, so at least siyazi ukuthi bana sizobashaya kuphi, at least maybe ngithole enye hat-trick anyana.
I-hat-trick enyana kusho ukuthi ujwayele
But what's interesting as well is whoever loses the next game, what Gqom is going to be playing, where this man is going to be needed, is going to be key. As we're showing the hat trick now from this man here wearing jersey number 7, scoring his hat trick is what you're watching. But for Gqom, it's important that they beat hip hop, because whoever loses that game is out of the tournament for next year.
Definitely elimination time. How do you fancy your chances? You did get to see them play in the earlier match.
I think we've got a really good chance to beat them. We just need to change our attitude and come back with a positive attitude and just go for it.
It's definitely important for you to stay in this tournament, and for you and the rest of the team, something's got to really give, and I wonder what that is going to be.
We just need a goal. We need a goal. That's all. But I think if we score first, the confidence is going to come back for everyone, and then I think we'll be fine.
Ukhuluma ngeconfidence. Ukhuluma ukuthi ufuna ama-goal. Kodwa ukuthi azoqhamuka ngaphi? That's the question.
Because I'm looking at that hip-hop team, and they're going to start with a completely different team. They had Donald, they had Touchline as well. Casper came in a little bit later on. That's the player that they were hoping was going to be the one to change things. Mai as well, we saw him come on there, led by Big Zulu, of course. But I wonder about the Maskandi team, because that's the team that's the champions. That's the team that's known to be the dominant team in the circles of jamming to soccer here, led, of course, by Ukuzani. Wabonile abadlala phana umuntu encane ke uthola i-red card kulo mdlalo odlule, so angicabanga ukuthi uzobe khona ku-final. Obani ongathi uyaboyika phaka kula qela lamaskandi?
Eish, benibukele jersey number 11, I think uReggie, very good player.
Reggie Mapensela.
Yes, awune energy, very dangerous, but ke Sereti Soplana siyazi ukuthi bamasithini.
Reggie Mapensela, that's the man he's talking about. He had that cross that led to that first own goal.
But not only that, he's got flair, he's got the energy, he's really one of those key players in that side, and you can see a lot revolves around him, especially on the width. He's got the pace to take on players, and I think he's really a goalkeeper's nightmare, because when he's on site, he gets to shoot. So it will be interesting to see Ma'a against one of the hat-trick scorers on the day.
This man right here, leading goal scorer of the tournament so far. We're going to let them go because I can see the hip-hop team there. I see Stilo Makolite is going to be coming on. Valdo, I see he's getting ready as well. The Olindo Babaga Valdo getting ready. He was troublesome on the left as well. We're going to take a break. We'll be back live. Nani Gapa Makaya, 4:30. Apostle Simbonisa Konage. If finally, Yalom Umbi, Kutwa, jamming to soccer 2023.